Welcome back, students. So in the last video we have seen the structure of modern periodic table. In the modern periodic table we have 18 groups and 7 rows. 2 rows are separated below the 7 rows and they are a part of 6th and 7th period, and they are known as the lanthanides and actinides. And the 4 blocks also we have seen in the modern periodic table. Now, when the properties of elements in a period or a group of the modern periodic table are compared, we have seen some regularity in the variations, and this regularity, it is known as periodic trends. Now, in this standard, we are going to see only 3 trends in the modern periodic table. How these 3 properties are changing along a group, that is along a group means from top to bottom in a group, and along a period, that means from left to right in a period. The 3 trends in the modern periodic table are: first one valency, second one atomic size, and third one metallic and non-metallic character of elements. Let me say again the trends in the modern periodic table. First one valency, then atomic size, then metallic and non-metallic character of elements. Now we are going to see the first trend in the modern periodic table, that is the valency. Now along a group, that means from top to bottom of a group, and along a period, that is from left to right in a period, how valency is changing. Now look at the first group. What is the valency of the first element? 1. What is the valency of the second element? That is also 1. Third element, that is also 1. That means you can see that along a group from top to bottom, you can see that valency remains the same. Second group, if you are taking, here also you can see that the valency remains the same. In all the groups you can see that the valency of an element from top to bottom, if you are going, or from bottom to top also, whatever it is, along a group, valency remains the same. Now in a period, what happens to the valency? Now I am going to take the period 2, that is the second period elements I am going to take. The second period elements are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. What is the valency of the first element in the second period? Lithium, its valency is 1. Beryllium, second element, its valency 2. Third element is boron, its valency 3. Next element valency 4. Next element, the valency is 3. Then valency 2. Then valency 1. And the last element has got the valency 0. So what is the trend you can see here? You can see that the valency of an element along a period from left to right, you can see that it is increases by 1, reaches 4 and then decreases by 1. If you have any confusion, take the third period also. You can see that sodium valency 1, magnesium valency 2, you can see that the valency is increased by 1, reaches 4 and then decreases by 1. So this is the trend in the valency. Along a group, valency remains the same. Along a period from left to right, valency increases by 1, reaches 4 and then decreases by 1. Thank you.